Hey everybody, it's Dave again. I'm here to do my 11th box break video, and today I'm going to do my second video on the Star Trek Original Series The Captain's Collection box. I did one of these early on and you know got a couple signed cards in it. I think there's 2 signed cards per box. They're pretty cool boxes. And we're going to open this up and see what happens today on it. This is box number 1217 of 6,000. It's sealed by Rittenhouse. Cool boxes. What an iconic series, Star Trek. Here it goes. The cost on these boxes is somewhere, I'd say, around 125 bucks or so a box. They're from the 2018 Rittenhouse cards. I think there's 2 autographs, it says, per box on the box there. And open these up and see what happens here. 24 packs per box, so you get 2 rows of 12. And I believe there's only 5 cards per pack in these, if I remember right. Okay, we'll start with the front row first. I cut my packs open. Some people rip them open by the back seam. I just do it very carefully to make sure I don't cut the cards inside. There may be other inserts besides signed cards in these. I don't know. I never looked at. Jeff Allender House of Checklists is usually the best place to look for checklists on non-sports cards. And these are really cool packs too. I'll show you one here before I cut this last one open in the row of 12 here. They're really nice packs. It's got, of course, the iconic, you know, William Shatner on the front. The back, it's just got silver, but they're real cool packs. All right, here it goes. We're going to see what happens on these. We'll start opening these up and see what happens. Okay. And I'll try to show you some of the cards as we go. There's that one series where Star Trek, there was 2 Jim Kirks in it. The one where they try to put the animal through the not the conveyor, but you know what I mean, the Energizer, and it came back, it was deceased, so it didn't turn out right on that. That was a great episode though, where Jim had a doppelganger. There was a doppelganger. Wow, I got a signed card already. And I think it comes with 2 per box, but looks like I got Karen Tracy in it. Karen Tracy. The second pack already, I got Karen Tracy in a signed card. Wolf in the Fold. It's Lieutenant Karen Tracy and Wolf in the Fold. Cool. Great. The big one in this to get, I believe, is William Shatner would be the best autograph card you could get in it. Got 4 minutes already on this video. I'll try to show you some of the cards from the iconic series if I get one. Otherwise, I'll try to move through these so it's not a 20-minute video if I can help it. I don't think I got a set out of my first box. I was short on a set that I opened. Oh, and The Children Shall Leave, the one with the little kids in it that do the, you know. That's a card number 59, I guess. That's actually not a chase card. That's part of the original set there. Those are all commons. There's a good old one, Spock, with almost like a mosquito, mosquito type netting around him. It's a good old one with Leonard Nimoy. What an iconic actor he was. Moving through them. Pack number 11 here already. There's a chase card in here. Where No Man is Where No Man Has Gone Before, chase card. W55 apparently. Well, that's it in the first 12. That was quick. That was only 7 minutes. I might be able to get this video done in 15 minutes this time. I've been finding it hard to get them done in about less than 20 minutes. All right, here it goes. All common cards there. Maybe that's all you get in these is signed cards. No costume cards, no. Here's another chase card of the transporter room, apparently. The transporter room. That's, yeah, that's a chase card. E7 it looks like on that. God knows how many subsets there are in this. Unsure on that. Oh, there's one of the famous Gorn there. The Gorn. How can anybody ever forget that episode? Okay, I got another. Oh, my goodness gracious. I got a pretty good signed card. I got Clint Howard. Wow, that's a good one there. Clint Howard. Ron Howard's brother. That's a good signed card there. But first the Tranya, he said. That was that special little drink he drank in it. But first the Tranya. What a great card. I'm really happy about this, getting this card of Clint Howard. But first the Tranya. Great. All right, I got a good autograph card out of it. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. That's probably all I'll get, those two. That is great. It's probably all I'm going to get in it. I may get, another chase card, which I did. Another Where No Man Has Gone Before card. But that was great getting Clint Howard. That was great. That was great. Clint Howard goes back so far. He played Andy Griffiths with his brother, Ron Howard and the Andy Griffith shows. Clint Howard goes back maybe before I was born, possibly. I mean, I don't know. I was born in '61, and those, that shows the old Andy Griffiths are, from the '60s and '70s. That's a great card I got, though. That's a nice autograph card I got. Nice one. There's another nice one Where No Man Has Gone Before. Another one there. That's cool. All right, only got 2 packs left. That's it. This would be a quicker video. It's only at 11 minutes here now. Of course, the iconic Spectre of the Gun with the Wyatt Earps and the OK Corral there. That's a famous, one of the most famous episodes too, as well as the Gorn. Last one, I forgot to cut this one open here. I'll cut this open pretty quick here. All right, and this is the last one. I assume they're all commons. Yep, and they're all common cards. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I made it in under, 12 minutes, so happy collecting, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.